The topic we are going to see about the classroom climate and classroom interaction analysis. Going to see about the definition, factors, significant sites, Flinders analysis, pre-service and in-service qualities of good teachers for classroom climates. Definition for classroom climate. The teacher and the class students that share in the common spirit of individual differences. The development of this attitude is an outgrowth of classroom social interactions. Factors affecting classroom climate. The climate of a class can be referred to as a way of life. When a group of people met for an hour or more in a day in the same place and for some general purpose, they will come to know what to expect from each others, what statement will be appreciated or disregarded, what sort of norm will be respected, and what sort of ideas will be rejected. Teaching is an professional intervention and every teacher has its pattern. Significance of conducive classroom climate. Student motivation and active learning are the two main components of engaged learning. Active learning does not imply physical movements, but rather the active engagement of a student's mind in the learning process. A positive classroom environment helps improve attention, reduce anxiety, and support emotional and behavior regulations of students. When educator fosters a positive learning culture, learners are more likely to acquire higher motivation, which leads to wonderful learning outcomes. Student motivation and self efficacy are positively affected by a supportive classroom climate. Types of classroom climate. Classroom or learning climate refers to the intellectual, social, emotional, and physical environments. Factors influencing classroom climate. The pictures clearly shows how the classroom climate to be safety, teaching learning, interpersonal relationships, institutional environment. Management of classroom climate. How to manage the classroom? The following steps are establish clear expectations, build positive relationships, establish classroom routines, use positive reinforcement, engage students actively. These are the strategies for teachers to maintain the classroom. Flanders interaction analysis. NetAA Flanders developed a system of interaction analysis to study what is happening in the classroom when a teacher teaches. It is known as Flanders Interaction Analysis Category Systems, that is FIACS. Flanders and others developed the system at the University of Minnesota, USA between 1955 and 1960. Flanders classified total verbal behavior into 10 categories. The verbal behavior comprises teacher's talk, student's talks, and silence or confusion. The Flanders interaction analysis flowcharts clearly explains how the teacher's talk, indirectly or direct, pupil's talks, that is pupil talk response, pupil talk intimations, that is after the silence or pause or confusions. The teacher's leadership should be student-centered, action-oriented, beyond one classroom, a positive influence, collaborative. This is laissez-faire and democratic pattern. How the students and teachers bondings between each other. It will clearly explains it is effective or not effective. The teaching pattern between democratic or autocratic. What are the professional competencies of mathematics teachers I have following explained. Teachers should clearly know the aim and objectives of mathematics. Thus, a required teaching learning situation can be created. He should teach the students through effective teaching methods like analysis, synthesis methods, inductive, deductive methods, laboratory methods, and project and problem solving methods. The teacher's professional competence should be their professional knowledge, skill, belief, and motivation. It is a critical predictor of teachers' professional well-being and success. For grouping of these competencies can be help organize and simplify for teachers what they need to master to maximize their performance. Classroom management, instructional delivery, formative assessments, and personal competencies. Now going to say about what is pre-service. Pre-service means the teacher needs professional training to understand the psychology of learners, methods of teaching, classroom management, evaluation techniques, and maintenance of records, that is certificate course, diploma course, degree course, postgraduate degree. Through these courses, we can analyze the pre-service. In-service education. In-service education means is a must for all teachers at all levels. A teacher should be exposed to the latest development in their own subject areas, as well as new trends in the techniques of teaching, evaluation, and communication technologies through academic staff colleges, University Department of Educations. Teacher as a profession. Teach in most formal and informal situation. Lecture instead of teaching in college and universities. Educate. Development of knowledge and skills. Train. Give somebody the instructions practice to learn. Coach. Describe not formal teaching either an academic subject or sports. Instruct to teach pupil a skill or to show how to something practical. Qualities of a good teacher: sound, clear, and adequate knowledge of the subject, ability to communicate his ideas through very simple yet appropriate words, to be commitment, to act with a sense of responsibility, to value propriety, to respect decorum, to act honestly and fairly at all times, to work hard and unselfishly, faith in principles of secularism, democracies, and human rights. Thank you.